Time, isn't it, boys? Trade recap from Monday the 17th of Feb. I know it says Tuesday the 18th of Feb, and I also know that it's posted on Tuesday the 18th of Feb. But I just didn't film it yesterday, so it's no big deal, mate. Right, let's scope into what actually happened with the loss from yesterday. And it was by my memory, EURUSD loss, 2%. Let's have a look at it. So, sorry for a bit of lower energy. I'm doing no caffeine today, so we are running on nothing, frankly. We're running on fumes that much that I've just fucking started marking out the next day instead of the previous. Right, lock in. So, let's go to yesterday. And this is a London session trade. So, let's scope into the markets. Daily, boom. Bullish on the daily for price action. 4 hour, bullish on the trend market structure for the 4 hour and bullish on the 1 hour. Now you could argue, and I did write this in my notes, there was a lower high, there was a higher low, and technically at this point there was going to have made a lower low, so I maybe could have said that the 1 hour was misaligned, but in this moment I just thought it was a little retrace, which is fairly valid. Tapping into this imbalance, and then obviously we're going to continue up. So that was my trade idea, which is fine. It can be wrong, you know what I mean? I am a wizard, but I'm not rank 10 mastery prestige wizard just yet. So we're working towards that every day, obviously. So we'll mark out session times as we usually do. Now going into London session, we're looking for Asian lows to be taken because obviously we're bucking bullish. So Asian lows, yes. Asian lows get taken in like this sort of candle here, wicks everything out, boom. Then we're looking for a fake out, which is a move up after the liquidity sweep and then a move down within the vicinity or lower preferably, and there was a lower move, so that's perfect. Then we're looking for a break of structure on the nearest fractal, and then obviously, boom, fib tool, limit order, boom. And it was about 9-1, wasn't it? Yeah, 9-1. And then we did 3R as the minimum, but obviously I'll let it run if I want to, you know what I mean? As long as the trailing stop loss initiates at 3R. So let's run through this. Boom, ran up about 2R, or 2.5R, and then unfortunately, as the game is the game, we hit SL here. This was the trade, this was the journal, obviously. Nothing else to really add. If we go on the dashboard, it was bound to happen at some point. We were on a heater, little 3-win streak, and obviously including that missed one that we missed, which is quite peak, but yeah, on a heater, so it's fine that we get a win. Little pullback as needed, really. On the Frashy, obviously everyone knows what happened to that previous one. We hit 10% target, but unfortunately we broke a rule near the start, so they didn't give it us on the stage 1 pass. So yeah, 2.1% down, which is about per trade. Yeah, 2.1%. We will get it. We'll get after it today. I mean, what's the news saying? It was bank holiday, but honestly, bro, bank holiday does not affect my win rate, so I don't care. That's not the reason. GBP news at 7. I won't be trading till 8 anyway. Gov Bailey at 9:30. Probably avoid GBP in London. Nothing for New York. Pretty smooth sailing for me today then, to be fair, boys. Journaled it, followed the plan, followed the risk, did everything right. If we go on my sticky notes, Monday, minus 2%, plan followed. I know I have my journal, but this is a nice summary. So look, boom, plan followed, plan not followed, but everyone knows what happened there with the fractal issue. Literally was just a fucking blip in my perception there. That was like a plan followed, but not on purpose, honestly. I know this doesn't make a difference regardless, but it's fine. No trade, plan followed, missed trade and missed another trade because I was in a mentorship. That's fucking gay. Plan followed, no trade, plan followed. So I suggest, boys, starting something like this up just so that you can, in summary, just see when you're following your plan and when you're actually going with plan. As we always do, get yourself in the fucking cord, boys. And if you're catting that bad, type in this fucking invite link. Get yourself in, boys. Boom, boom. Get yourselves in. This is like the best thing I've ever made, bro. This community, and it's not even mine. I own it, but bro, the community runs itself. Like, you know, it's just brilliant. Anyway, I'm too tired and it's too early. I know they're saying this is 12, But for me, bro, you know what I mean? This is wake up hours. Enough lagging around. We'll get back to the grind. We'll close this trade recap off here. As per usual, Instagram and the Discord will be in the comments below. If anyone is interested in how to learn the strategy, I do live calls twice a day, Monday to Friday. London session is 8 AM and then New York session is 3:15. I will be getting back to these Education Fridays, but I'm going to actually make like a little sort of trading series on how to learn trading from literally the ground up, because I get too many people DMing me asking me how to learn trading, and then I'm just sending them to other people's free content. So may as well make my own, but I'm going to wait until I move into the new apartment on the 9th of March. So a little bit of a wait before I start that yet. So probably we'll take out the Education Fridays and swap them out just for the YouTube vids coming up, to be fair. Right, boys, it's been a good one. Hope to see you all in the cord either today, tomorrow, the next day, or the next day. Peace, love, and unity, everyone. Happy trading. Hope everyone follows their plan. Has a good rest of your day. Peace out.